Hello guys, are you feeling that you're out of time? Well, it's my case. So we're gonna do a quick HIIT workout. It's gonna be a body weight. It's gonna take you less than 10 minutes, okay? So I'm gonna give you options. Let's do a quick warm up and let's do it. So give me your leg curls. We're gonna do some squats as well and lunges, and we're gonna warm up your core, and then we're gonna be ready to go. That's it. In 4, 3, 2, knees up. Let's go right here. Good. Keep your upper body nice and tall. 4, 3, 2, open your knees right here. That's it. Come on. 4, 3, 2, step touch. So keep your shoulders down and back. Bring your abs right into your spine. And then let's open your legs, squats. Shoulders are down and back. You don't need to go very deep. We're still in the warm up. Contract your glutes. Down and contract. Down and let's go. 4, 3, 2, good. And slowly release. And you're gonna walk out in plank. Let's go down, plank. Give me mountain climber for 4, 4, 3, 2, and walk back. Optional to add a little jump. Let's go again, 4 more. Give me mountain climber, 4, 3, 2, that's it. And plank, walk back, and jump. 2 more. 4, 3, 2, that's it. Only 1 more, come on. 4, 3, 2, good. And slowly up and release. Lunges, shoulders down and back. Ready? Straight down, straight up. Inhale, exhale up. That's it. And again for 4, 3, and 2. Good. And slowly release, switch it up. So we're going to do each exercise for 30 seconds. We're going to do a cardio exercise, cardio exercise. So we're going to keep it going, and you're going to be done in no time. 3 and 2. That's it. Last one. Good. And release. And again, step touch. Are we feeling warmer already? Okay. Let's do a leg curl. That's your low impact option. Or you're going to jog. Come on. Bring your arms up if you want. 4, 3, 2, good, and release, knees up. Again, baby ones, or bring the knees up. 4, 3, 2, good, and release. Open your legs, and again, squat up and down. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze, that's it. Woo. 3, 2, last one, that's it, and release. Keep your legs open. Let's do the dynamic stretching. We're gonna start at the same time. Let's open your arms, shoulders right here. There we go. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Whew. Good, and release. Toes up. I want you to feel the stretch behind your leg. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 more time. Let's switch your legs. Same thing, let's go. Good. And 2 more. Last one. Okay, let's grab your water, guys. 30 seconds. We're gonna start with mountain climber, okay? Option 1, you can hold a plank and just bring 1 knee at a time, okay? Option 2, you go low impact right from your toes. If not, option 3, you're gonna go for it. Let's get ready. Okay, position. I have my timer right here. Ready? Go. Woo. Oh boy, that's gonna wake me up. Perfect. Come on, keep your shoulders strong, your arms as well. I'm gonna glow, guys. That's perfect. You know, we need that. Almost there. Come on. Good, and release. Okay, now let's go for a plank. You do it from your knees or from your toes. Ready? Go. You can do it from your forearms or even harder right on your hands. So you choose. Push into your hands. I don't want you to round your shoulders, but I don't want to see a big hole between your shoulder blades. Breathe. That's to bring your heart rate down. I know. Come on. 10 more seconds. Woo. Good job. 3, 2, good. And release. Let's go back up. Okay, squat jump. Are you ready? Let's go. Right here. Up, up. That's it. So if you don't want to jump, don't jump. There's just do squat. Oh, I feel it already. That's it. Less than halfway there. Keep going, guys. Almost done. No repeat, by the way. That's it. Good job. Keep marching. 30 seconds. You're gonna crunch to the side. So we're gonna bring your heart rate down. Right here, go. That's it. So crunch the side right here. Come on. That's it. Keep your chest up though. Good. That's it. Less than halfway there. And then we're gonna go again. Beautiful. Good. And release. Let's go down. Burpees. Go. Woo. Again. Only 30 seconds, guys. If you want to do a jack in between, that's a little rest. Go for it. Almost done. Good, and release. Okay, now you're gonna touch the opposite knee. That's the way you're gonna bring your heart rate down. Come on. Breathe. That's it. Less than halfway there. Good. And we're gonna take a little 10 seconds. Let's get ready for the next one. Good, and release. Let's go right on the floor, mountain climber. But this time, you're gonna cross your knees. Ready? Let's go. Again, strong arms, strong shoulders, abs into your spine. Come on. Again, we're bringing your heart rate up. Keep going. Less than halfway there. Come on. Oh, I feel that. There we go. Good. And release. 10-second break. Side plank. You decide how you want to do it. Option 1, 2, 3 on your feet, 4 right on your hand. Go. You can even open your leg, but I know I cannot hold it very long. Maybe 10 seconds. That's to bring your heart rate down. I know, I hear you. Bring that hip as high as you can towards the sky. Less than halfway there. Perfect. Whew. Breathe. Good. Almost there. And release. 10-second break. You have time for a quick water. Okay? We're gonna do a lunge, little jump. Let's go. If you want to bring your arms up, to bring your heart rate even more, go for it, just in case. Come on. I feel my legs already. So I love those quick ones. Sometimes it's best when we don't have much time. Perfect. 5 more seconds. Good. And release. 10-second side plank. Switch side. If you need to modify it because of this shoulder, go for it. That's the start. Go. Breathe. That's it. Keep your head in line as well with your spine. You're working hard, guys, trust me. Almost there, keep it up. 3, 2, good. 10-second rest. Let's go. Back up again. Lunges with a little jump. Ready? Go. Again, if you want to bring your arms up, it's going to bring your heart rate up even more. Come on. Shoulders down and back. Abs are tight. Whew. Good. Almost there. Come on. Oh, I'm done. 10 seconds. Let's go on your back. Bicycle. Are you ready? Okay, go. So try to bring the shoulder towards your knee instead of your elbow. Come on. Less than halfway there. And release. Bring your knees into your chest. There we go. Good job, guys. How are you feeling? Bring your knees. Open your knees. Bring them towards the shoulders. We're just going to do a quick stretch. Good job. Bring right leg and leg up. Pull. Shoulders are relaxed. If you want to extend your left leg, go ahead. Breathe. We're done. Switch your legs. Again, easier when you bend your knee. Okay? That's it. Figure 4. I'm crossing my left over my right. Grab the back of your leg right here. So push your knee out or away from you with your elbow. Good. Switch your legs. Same thing. I'm glowing. And release. Let's do just a spinal twist. So bring your knees together, drop them to the right side, look to the left. We won't stay here very long. You're going to feel the stretch in your spine, maybe in your glutes as well. And let's switch side, same thing. So drop your knees first, and then turn your head the opposite way. And slowly release, bring your head followed by your knees. Let's go and runner lunge. I don't need you anymore. Runner lunge right here. So that way we're going to stretch soleus, hip flexors. Good job. Even the stretch part, I like it. This is a reward. Switch your legs. So make sure your knee, seriously, is in front of your toes here. And press your heel down on the floor. Shoulders are down. Good, and slowly release. Let's do the 90-degree at your knees here. Okay, that's the safest way to stretch your hip flexors, but also your quads. Bring your arm up, and then let's go side. You can hold it for a minute. We need that stretch. You might feel the stretch on the side of your body. Lats, a little bit of obliques as well if you rotate. Let's switch your legs. Again, tilt the pelvis. Bring your arm up. Let's go side. Good job. And then we're going to do one more stretch, guys. It's going to be for your chest, shoulder. Good. Stand up, grab the wall, bring that leg on the wall. Same with your shoulder. You can press this heel on the floor as well. You're going to get another hip flexors, but calf. Look straight ahead. Try to rotate your shoulders towards the back of the room. I know. Should be parallel to each other. We're too tight. I feel that stretch. I know my chest is tight. I'm spending too much time on the computer lately. That's not me. Let's switch. So same thing. Whew. There we go. Good, and slowly release. Well, guys, we're done already. And seriously, look at that. I'm glowing. So good job, guys. And hope you like this workout. And check, I have plenty of hits. So have fun with them and see you soon.